Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV25 and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work on it. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance. Remember, a clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. Now you will see the battery itself. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you encounter any resistance, double check that you have removed all screws and that there are no clips holding it in place. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely connected. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is snug and there are no gaps. If you need assistance, our pickup and delivery at your home service can help you avoid any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. After securing the cover, it's essential to test the vacuum. Plug it back in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery properly. Many local recycling centers accept batteries, and it's important to follow local regulations for disposal. Keeping your environment clean is just as important as maintaining your vacuum. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson SV25 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, consider our services for professional assistance. We're here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.